Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you how to make these cute little peg dolls. So, what is in our kit?
In our kit, we've got 2 wooden dolls. We've got some felt in there. We've got some buttons. Okay. We've got some really cool, like, hair. Trick ya. And then we've got some really cool acorn tops. All right. You'll also need some...
You'll want glue of some kind. We're going to use the hot glue gun, but regular Elmer's glue or a glue stick will probably work just as well. We've got some permanent markers today. We're going to use them to color and sort of draw on the dolls at one point. If you want to use paint or something else, that'll work too. And we've got a pair of scissors for trimming the felt before we put it on.
There's more.
Oh wait, there's more. Before we get started,
What?
thank you to those who have sent in pictures of their projects. As always, we love seeing them. We love seeing what you guys are making with the kits or what you're making at home or elsewhere. So please keep sharing your photos. Easiest way to share your photo is just to scan this QR code right here, and we'll feature it in one of our upcoming videos so everyone can see what you're doing. So.
Step 1.
Take me to your leader.
So with this project, you can really do these steps in almost any order, and you can make your doll look however you want. We're going to show you how we're going to do it, but basically what we're going to do is use the felt pieces as sort of like a little, I guess you would call it a belt or something. We're going to wrap that around the doll at one point. The little buttons on there are just some decoration. The wool is going to be the hair, and the acorn cap will be like the hat. So it really doesn't matter what order you put these things on, but that's what we're aiming for. You look like the Lorax. So go ahead, take a look at the different colors of the supplies that you've got and figure out what you'd like to do. One of my felt pieces is like a tan color, and I think it's a little close to the doll color, so I'm actually going to color the body before I attach the felt, just to make it look, give it some more contrast. We've colored our dolls, we've colored the bodies. So now we're going to take those pieces of felt that we kind of trimmed up, and it can look however you want. You can leave them as they are, you can trim them really thin. We're going to use some hot glue to attach those. And then the little buttons in your kit will just glue right onto the front of the doll on the felt there, and it'll just look like they're wearing some kind of little belt with some buttons on it.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So we've got the dolls colored, we've got the felt attached on there, and some little buttons. So next we're going to start on the hair and the hat. The way we're going to do this, we're going to use the wool, it's needle felting wool in your kit, and then this little acorn cap. You should have a big piece of wool like this. You don't have to use all of it. You can cut this, you can make it smaller. I've got just a little portion of the blue wool that I had, and I've sort of like balled it up a little bit. And then all we're going to do is use some hot glue to stick this to the acorn cap, glue it in there, and then on top of the doll's head, we'll glue it on there like that. And when it's all done, you should have, and when it's all done, it should look like your doll has a head of hair and is wearing a little acorn cap they found in the forest somewhere.
Could have made a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. With the backpack. Or the shell.
Did you think that the Ninja Turtles were wearing backpacks this whole time?
This is it.
So we attached the hair to the acorn cap, glued it on the head. We also drew some little faces on there, if you want to do that. Those are your peg dolls.
Oh, yeah.
Was Rose, Blanche, Dorothy, Sophia. Got there.